I have a Sony model number KD55XF8096. The problem with it is that it shuts down very intermittently. It could be here for days and it would shut down. I've heard that when it does go down, the standby light flashes 6 times. Now that is normally a backlight issue, but there is a, just in case there's something else doing it as well, there is a way you can go into the diagnostic mode to see the error codes. And I'm just going to show you the buttons here. Let's get this in front of the camera. This here is your display button, right? What you have to do is power it down, press display, press 5, volume minus, and power up. And you have to do that in a sequence quickly. You power it down and leave it waiting for a while, it's not going to work. So yeah, it mightn't get it first time. So let's have a look. Let's see if I got that right. Power, display 5, volume minus, power. Power, display 5, volume minus, power. If I didn't catch it, let's see. Don't think I caught it. Try it again, just power it up. Okay. Power, display 5, volume minus, power. Yeah, see it comes out in self-diagnostic mode. See it on the bottom. And if you can see here, error 6, let me see, can I get you a bit closer? You can see the error 6 on it, backlight error. I don't know if that figure on the right hand side is for a 65. Is that the amount of times that it tripped? That I do not know. I would imagine it is. So there's an easy way you can double check to see what's shutting down your Sony, your 55-inch Sony. I don't know if that's in every Sony, but just give it a try. It can be a bit tricky to get it to, you have to be quick enough with the remote, and if you don't press the buttons hard enough, I think the buttons on this are wore, so you have to give them a good press for them to recognize you press the button. I don't know if there's going to be a repair video as part of this. I have to get the go ahead from the customer. If there is, you'll see it there. If not, you won't see it. I don't see Sony supplying backlights for it, so I'm going to have to check around with the likes of eBay, AliExpress, Home Supplies there in Manchester. They used to do some backlights. I'll double check with them. I would say on this, you press the home button to get out of this mode. Okay. So now that you're back out again, do it again. Power down, display 5, volume minus, and power up. No, it didn't work that time. Try again. Power down, display 5, volume minus, power up. See, it's not even powering up. Well, the powered up now like that. It is hard to get. Power down, display 5, volume minus, power up. Yeah. I recreated it a second time. Press the home button then to get out of it. And you're back in the normal TV mode, or you can plug it out and plug it back in.